Good morning, student. Continue physical properties of phenol. Phenol colorless, needle-shaped crystal, hydrophobic, corrosive, poisonous. In phenol, air and light means change to pink color. Simple phenols also liquids, low melting solids, high boiling point, slightly soluble in water because hydrogen bonding present. Substituted phenols insoluble in water molecules. They are all are is one mark side is possible. So you have to keep it in your mind. Next, chemical properties. First reaction with zinc. Reaction with zinc. What happen? You see the reactions. Phenol formula benzene ring directly attached to OH. Name is called phenol. Zinc heated means what happened? The zinc taking oxygens. So what produced zinc oxide will be eliminated. Remaining go to hydrogen. So benzene will be alkyne. Benzene will be alkyne. Phenol. Molecular formula C6H6O. React with zinc means C6H6 will be produced. Go to second reaction, ammonia. Ammonia formula NH3. Phenol react with ammonia. Phenol react with ammonia in the presence of anhydrous zinc chloride will be catalyst. What happened? That OH group taken one hydrogen from ammonia, so releasing a water molecule attached to NH2. Name is called aniline. Molecular formula C6H6O. Reacting means C6 hydrogens 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So H7N will be produced. Next, third reaction, formation of ester. That naming reaction will be given. What naming reaction means? Schotten-Bowman reactions. Schotten-Bowman reaction. One of the naming reaction. Naming reaction also important for examinations. What happened? Phenol react with acetyl chloride. That means acid chloride. Phenol formula C6H5OH plus acid chloride example CH3COCl in the presence of sodium hydroxide and pyridine. Pyridine simply written Py. And here taken CH3 means acetyl chloride. So change it also. C6H5 OH plus C6H5 COCl benzoyl chloride BenZoYl. Spelling will be important. Here also sodium hydroxide and pyridine catalyst. What happened? That hydrogen taken 1 Cl, so minus HCl. The similarly same reaction will be followed. HCl. Remaining product CH3 COO C6H5. CH3 COO C6H5. Here both are is C6H5. So C6H5 COO C6H5. That name is called phenyl ethanate. Here phenyl benzoate. Next reaction, fourth, formation of ether. Formation of ether. This is also one of the naming reaction. What reaction means? Williamson ether synthesis. Williamson ether synthesis. Also one of the naming reaction. Benzene ring directly attached means and OH react with sodium hydroxide NaOH. Removal of water molecules. Remaining sodium phenoxide formed ONA react with methyl iodide. Removal of NaI. Remaining attached to OCH3. Name is called anisole. One of the important naming reaction also. Next reaction, oxidation. Phenol react with go to oxidation. Catalyst used potassium digamate K2Cr2O7. Otherwise, concentrated sulfuric acid used. What happened means here double bond O, here double bond O. Very important reaction. 1,4 benzene benzoquinone. Then molecular formula C6H6O. Here 6 carbon, 6 hydrogen 1, 2, 3, 4 only. So H4O2. C6H4O2 means 1,4 benzoquinone. Next reaction, reduction. Phenol react with hydrogen and nickel. Temperature will be very important, 160 degrees Celsius. All the bond will be added 1 hydrogen. So increasing hydrogen atom. Don't draw the inside rings. Suppose draw means wrongly. C6H6O. That 6 hydrogens added means multiple. So C6H12O. The name is called cyclohexanol. Cyclohexanol. Molecular formula also important. Next, reaction involved benzene ring. Reactions involved in benzene ring. Previously, OH group only disturbs. Now, benzene ring involved reaction. First one, nitrosation. Nitrosation means only NO only added. See the reactions. Phenol react with HNO2 nitrous acid at 278 Kelvin. What happened means para position having hydrogen, so releasing amount of water. Here one hydrogen, here one hydrogen. Taking oxygen means releasing amount of water. So remaining OH, NO. Para nitrosophenol. Para nitrosophenol. Next reaction, nitration. Next reaction, nitrogen. Previous reaction, nitrosation. Nitrosation. Now nitration. Nitration means which group is added means NO2 group only added in benzene ring. See the reaction. Phenol react with 20% of nitric acid. Only 20%. Temperature 298 Kelvin. What happened? Orthobushen also added a NO2 group and parabushen added also NO2 group. This phenol. Orthobushen means adjacent position NO2. Parabushen means directly opposite positions called parabushens. The 20% means ortho and parabushen of phenyl octane. Ortho and para. Ortho nitrophenol. How much yield means 30 to 40% yield only octane. Para nitrophenol octane only 15%. That one more said asking. Next, using concentrated nitric acid means phenol react with concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid. So concentrated means here temperature also used 298 Kelvin. So mixture of nitric acid. So number of nitric acid react. What happened? That orthobushen and parabushen and orthobushens. 3 bushens. The 3 bushen means then given the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So second positions and fourth positions and sixth position only added the NO2 group because very concentrations. OH, what added NO2, NO2, NO2 plus 3H2O. So how many times taken? 3 times nitric acid taken. 2, 4, 6. How many times? 3 times. Trinitrophenol. Otherwise called picric acids. Otherwise name is called picric acid. So reaction side very important. Reaction side very. Next, sulfonation reaction. Sulfonation means which group added means SO3H only added from sulfuric acid. See the reactions. Benzene ring attached to OH group. Here two reaction will be obtained. What are the two means concentrated sulfuric acid taken. 2 means 2 different temperature. First temperature 280 Kelvin. Second temperature 373 Kelvins. 280 Kelvin means ortho sulfonic acid will be obtained. Ortho means adjacent positions SO3H. In 373 Kelvin means para positions. OH, SO3H. 280 Kelvin means ortho position will be major. And 373 means para positions will be major. One more side also asked. Next reaction, halogenations. Halogenation means one of the halogen will be added. Phenol react with bromine water. Phenol react with bromine water. 3Br2H2O. It is called bromine water. What happened? Second positions and fourth position and sixth positions that having hydrogens added on hydrogen means 3 HBr will be removed. 3 HBr will be removed. That second position, fourth position, sixth position attached Br, OH, Br, Br, Br. That name is called 2, 4, 6. So 3 times means try. What 3? Br3. So write bromo. Main function of phenol. 2, 4, 6 trinitrophenol. Next reaction with catalyst only changes. Again halogenations, but catalyst only changes. What catalyst means? CS2 or CCl4 at temperature 278 kelvins. Here also react with the bromines. Here also react with the bromine. What happened? First ortho bromo getting, second para bromo. Phenol. One more time write phenol. That two different product. One is the adjacent position phenol. Another one is the direct opposite position. So adjacent is called ortho. Direct opposite is called para. So ortho bromo phenol. Here para bromo phenol. Next naming reaction. Golf reactions. Goldschmidt reactions. Goldschmidt reaction. Naming reaction side also very important. See the reactions. What happened? First phenol react with sodium hydroxide. Phenol react with sodium hydroxide. What? Releasing of water molecules. So sodium phenoxide will be formed. Sodium phenoxide react with carbon dioxide 400 Kelvin, 427 atmosphere pressure. So borished. What happened? You clearly see that ortho position hydrogen will be eliminated and sodium also eliminated. What are they eliminated? Minus H plus minus Na plus. So now O here on bond. So what happened? Carbon dioxide go to attack here. So COO. Both are getting minus. So COO taking Na. COO taking Na. That O taking H. O taking H. Next hydrolysis. Hydrolysis means acid hydrolysis. Acid used H plus H2O. What happened? Here breaking. So left side hydrogen, right side OH group. So phenol is obtained. OH phenol COOH. That name is called salicylic acid. Name is called salicylic acid. The naming reaction is important. So you have to practice. Next reaction, another non-naming reaction. Riemann-Diemer reactions. Riemann-Diemer reactions. Riemann-Diemer reactions. You see the reaction. Phenol react with chloroform. Chloroform formula. Got it? CHCl3. Chloroform formula CHCl3. In the presence of sodium hydroxide, what happened? That here one hydrogen taken one Cl. So removal of HCl. Removal of HCl. So benzene ring OH CHCl2. This is for unstable. Unstable compound react with sodium hydroxide. React with sodium hydroxide. What happen? Na taken 1 Cl, hydrogen taken 1 Cl. N minus NaCl minus HCl. Which product? That oxygen is added here. OH CHO. The name is called salicylic aldehyde. Salicylic aldehyde. Golf reaction or Gold-Schmidt reaction means salicylic acid obtained. Dreamer-Deamer reaction means salicylic aldehyde obtained. Next, Thalian reactions. Otherwise called preparations of phenolphthalein. Preparations of phenolphthalein. See the reaction. Two phenol taken, two phenyl group. So OH. React with phthalic anhydrides. React with phthalic anhydride. Phthalic anhydride C double bond O, C double bond O, oxygens. What happened the reaction means removal of water molecules in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. Removal of water molecules. How to remove of water molecule means that para position having one hydrogens. So hydrogens and oxygens will be removed. Hydrogen and oxygen will be removed. See the product. This is what phthalic anhydride. Double bond to oxygens. Here also double bond. One of the bond added phenyl group. One of the bond added phenyl. Again another one of the bond added one more phenyl. That name is called phenolphthalein. Name is called phenolphthalein. Releasing one water molecule. Two molecules of phenol react with phthalic anhydride in the presence of sulfuric acid to give the phenolphthalein. Naming reaction also important and the product side also important. So write carefully. Next reaction, coupling reactions. Next reaction, coupling reaction. Phenol react with benzene disonium chloride. Benzene disonium chloride N2Cl. Phenol formula OH. Then what happened? Para position hydrogen and HCl will be removed. Para position and HCl removed. Here catalyst sodium hydroxide, temperature 273 to 278 kelvins. So that time only releasing of HCl only. Product benzene ring N double bond N OH. So para hydroxy that N double bond means azo. Both are is benzene, so benzene. Para hydroxy azo benzene. Next, test to differentiate alcohol and phenols. Phenol react with the benzene disonium chloride means red orange type, but ethanol not reactions. So 1 mark side also important. Next, phenol gives purple coloration, neutral ferric chloride. Alcohol do not react with ferric chloride. Phenyl react with sodium hydroxide means sodium phenoxide octane. Ethyl alcohol don't react with NaOH. 3 points also test to differentiated alcohol and phenols. Phenyl reacting means alcohol absent. Next, uses of phenol. That about off-field production of phenol making phenol formaldehyde resins. That simply is called backlight. One of the main important uses. Next, phenol starting material preparation drugs. Phenacetin, salt, aspirin, etc. Phenolphthalein also used as indicator and explosive like picric acids and used antiseptic, carbolic flotations and carbolic soaps. Next topic, ether. Oxygen atom directly attached to alkyl group or aryl group or R dash. That is O is called oxygen atom. R and R dash R comma R dash. So alkyl group also attached or aryl group also attached. General formula of ether CnH2n plus 2 oxygens. These were general formula of ethers. That alkyl group attached means name is called alkoxy. Name is called alkoxy. So aryl group attached means aryl oxy. Aryl oxy.